This is a thank you to all of you who have been watching all of my Sakura D6 videos. So because all of you have been watching my videos, the folks at 3 Racing actually reached out and said they were going to offer all of you a discount, 5% discount on anything on the 3 Racing shop. All you have to do is use the code RoadsideRC and you get 5%. And I mean, and I'll be honest, this is just me thanking you because I don't get anything out of this. But I wanted you to know, limited to 100 people. 100 people can grab this code ROADSIDE5, use it to get 5% off anything. So if you want a whole chassis, if you want all the aluminum parts for the Sakura D6, whatever it is that you want, 5% off everything in your shopping cart, anything on the website. RoadsideRC is the code that you need to use. I'll leave a link down in the description where it just gives you straight to the discount code for it. And hey, all I want to know is if you use the code, post up down below, post in the comments, tell me what you bought and make sure that it works. They reached out to me because you folks watched my videos about this chassis. They reached out to me to say thank you. So I appreciate you folks. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.